Hi everyone, this is Tanner here with another practical tip to help you become leather savvy. Today I want to talk about aniline leather. Some of you may have heard the term but may not understand it completely. So aniline is used to refer a type of dye we use in finishing leather. It is the kind that has no coverage properties. It is only to balance the tone and accentuate the imperfections of the grain. So whenever you see aniline, when you're reading a description of a leather product or a label, it means you're getting a good leather to start with. Probably 5 to 10% of all leathers can be finished with aniline dyes because they are clean to start with. The 90% has to go through some form of corrections. If you don't see aniline or semi-aniline in the finished description of your leather, then you're gonna probably see a top grain or a pigmented finish label, which means that your leather was not as clean as an aniline full grain can be. Then the tannery was kind of buffing it off, the imperfections, start with a cleaner slate and use a coverage property dye, which pigments are used in this case, to achieve this very uniform color and look, covering all the imperfections and achieve this very sleek look. Most of the leather in the market is done this way. Nothing wrong with it, it's still good leather, but aniline is definitely the rare and more expensive stuff, and they're gonna age into more beautiful crafts as you use it. I hope this helps you navigate the space better next time you're shopping for leather goods. Thank you for watching.